Hello guys and welcome! So you want to motovlog? You are in the right spot, because I will show you today how to get the best possible video and audio quality from your setup. And if you want to know how to mount your GoPro on your helmet, I have a separate video just on that topic. It will be listed in the description box. In the end of this video, we're gonna hop on the bike and do one fast motovlog to test video and audio quality of our setup. So let's cue the intro and start. For motovlog, helmet is not so important. You can do it on this helmet or this one, but not on this one. You get my point. Any full face helmet will work just fine. One thing to take care is to have enough chin space. If space is too tight, you will constantly be eating your dead cat from your microphone. On second place, we have another thing that surprisingly is not so important, and that is camera. Let me explain. Anything from GoPro Hero 4 and up will work just fine. My recommendation goes to Hero 4 because you don't need famous GoPro dongle to connect your microphone, and the video quality is good like any newer GoPro. Of course, the newer GoPros are packed with features like higher frame rates for slow motion and very good stabilization, but all that is irrelevant for motovlog setup. Only thing you need from your camera is to do 4K 24 frames per second, and Hero 4 have that. And like I said, you don't need a dongle to attach your microphone, so it's no-brainer. And now we came to the most important piece of the setup, and that is microphone. The quality of audio in motovlog, in my opinion, is more important than video quality. And if you are asking yourself how to get best possible audio, it is very simple. Just get Purple Panda mic. It is just the best possible microphone you can put on in your helmet. I'm using mine right now doing this voiceover. If you take anything from this video, take this. It is amazing mic and quite possibly the best mic on the market for motovlog setup. Another very important piece of gear is ND filter. And if you don't know what is ND filter, it is like sunglasses for your camera. And what ND filter do is just cutting the light that hit your sensor. In basic words, with ND filter, shutter speeds of your camera will be slower. Results of slower shutter speed is motion blur in your videos. With motion blur, your vlogs will be more natural and pleasing to watch, and on the video it's gonna look like you're going faster. I will show you now side-by-side videos. On the left side is with ND8 filter, and on the right side is no ND. Quite a difference, right? Now that we have all the pieces, let's assemble this puzzle. I'm not gonna show you how to mount GoPro on the helmet. Like I said, I have in-depth video covering that part. So stop this video, go in description box and watch, and we will continue. Now that we have that covered, it is time for mic. Put that cat cover and snug the mic between cheek pad and helmet. Hide the remaining cable behind the helmet liner and plug it in your GoPro. Slap your ND and that's it. And guys, we have one step left, and that is to set up settings on our GoPro, and we are going to do that now. So you can do this on your GoPro, you can do it in the app like I'm doing right now. I'm not going to explain all the settings. You can just follow the video and copy settings from my video to your GoPro and you are done. So for resolution, of course, we are going to do 4K. Frames per second 24, of course, and that is the only option. Field of view wide. Spot meter we leave it off. Pro tune we leave it on. White balance you can leave it on out, it is doing a decent job. For the color you can go flat or you can go GoPro. I recommend GoPro because it is a lot easier to do a color grade, and the colors are really good. For the shutter speed you can go 1/48, but you can leave it on auto and the GoPro will do its job by itself. ISO maximum 400. EV compensation we're going to leave it like it is, and that's it, we are done. Now we're gonna hop on the bike and I will show you the video and audio quality of this setup. welcome to my first official motovlog. I hope you like quality of the video and audio from this setup. I already seen this footage, so I know it's really good. And that will be it for today, guys. Lots more content are coming to my channel, lots of motovlog. We're gonna take advantage of this very good setup, and I hope you learned something new today. I hope I was of help, and like always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will answer each and every one of you. So that is it for today. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!